Hey guys, welcome back to Aria Moore's Makeup Room, where we learn and grow together. Guys, I am back with another inspired makeup tutorial, and today we are doing my homeboy Gumball from the amazing World of Gumball. I absolutely love this show, guys. Like, I watch it all the time with my kids. Okay, well, I used to watch it all the time with my kids. I actually need to start watching that show again because it is just so much fun. And if you do not know Gumball, he is on my thumbnail. He is a blue, I want to say he's like a cat or something. I really don't know what his gender is, like what his race, or I don't know what he is, but he's so freaking cute and I love him. I love the blues, and I will say it was a challenge trying to create a look with just blue. It was a very big challenge, but guys, we made it happen, and I am going to show you what I did to achieve this beautiful look, guys. Before we get into the video, y'all already know what to do. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And if you are new here, welcome, 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 guys. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get into this video. Let's go. Okay guys, so we are going to start out with our white eyeshadow base. So we're going to make sure that we blend that into our concealer that was already placed on our eyelids. Very good until it's nice and smooth and ready to go. We are going to make sure that we go ahead and do that on both eyes. That way it can go ahead and dry and be ready to work with. Now you guys are going to be seeing me mix in some light blues and some dark blues to create this outer shape. I just wanted to make sure that I created a design that was more unique compared to other looks, so I did not blend out the eyeshadow too much all across my eyelids. I left this wide opening in the middle of my eyelid just to go ahead and create a little bezazzle, which you guys will see later down. So what you guys see me doing now is I'm using my dark blue. And this is from my Morphe palette. I'm just packing everything on until I feel satisfied. The good thing about this look is I didn't really have to do too much, but it showed up amazing. Like, as simple as this eyeshadow technique was, the look looked like you put in a lot of work. Like, you know what I'm saying? It was just really, really good. I will go ahead and say that doing Gumball was a challenge because I was just like, he's just blue. Like, I got to do a lot of blues, and I really didn't know, like, what kind of look could I do with blues that wasn't going to be too dramatic, like too bold, because I wanted to make sure that it was like a soft look, if that makes sense. Like, you know, so I'm just sitting here thinking and looking and trying to figure out what to do, but it's starting to come together. So you guys are now seeing me use my light blue eyeshadow, and I'm just adding that into the outside of that dark blue. I really don't know how to describe what it is that I'm doing, guys. If you haven't noticed, I'm just like, I'm pretty much just rambling here. But the good thing is this is a visual thing, so at least you can see what I'm doing if I can't explain it. And per usual, in the background, I am playing my YouTube, guys. So check out other videos of mine as soon as you get done with this video. That blue is so cute. So I'm now going to go ahead and do like a little cut crease and clean up and make that shape that I'm going for. I really feel like when you do a cut crease, I think of just a normal everyday cut crease. But what I'm doing now, would that even be considered a cut crease? Like, I really don't know. Like, I don't know. I guess it is a cut crease because it's the same method, the same style. I don't know, guys. But I am using my flat brush, and I am using my white eyeshadow base, and I'm just going into that center and just cleaning up the lines, making everything nice and smooth and ready to go. I decided to just use this white eyeshadow base to make sure that the blues kind of pop a little bit more, because if I would have went in with like a neutral color base, it would have really took away from those colors. So I decided to use white because, you know, white really brings out any colors, and it's just perfect for this look. And the end result was just amazing, so I'm very excited about that. So guys, I'm doing the same thing on the other eyelid. I'm just shaping everything around, guys, and just making it look really cute. You know what I'm saying? Really cute. And guys, I'm really, really loving these little two pigtails that I've been wearing, because like I literally can't do anything else to my hair right now because I have new growth that is outrageous right now. Like, my hair is growing like crazy, and I had to blame it on the products that I've been using. I've been using snap curls still, guys, and every time I do a retwist and I use snap curls, baby, I need a retwist in 2 more days. Yeah, you know what I'm saying. So we're gonna go in with some liner from NYX. I'm gonna use white and blue, guys. White and blue. Those are literally the only two colors that I could use for this look. Like, I wanted to add so many different colors so bad to just make it look like something. But I was just like, okay, Gumball is literally blue. Blue, 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 blue. I got to stay with blue. But I really love that I'm using characters to inspire my eyeshadow looks because it's really challenging me to just really get creative. So using this baby blue eyeliner, guys, poppin'. Like, I just created this wing. I made the wing fold out a little bit, and it just added so much personality to the look, guys. I am so in love. And y'all already know when I be using eyeliner, I be nervous. Your girl be nervous. I be scared. Like, you know, I'm left-handed, and it's already hard to write on regular paper, let alone on my face. Like, you know what I'm saying? It's just really difficult being left-handed. But I've been getting better and better. Like, you know what I'm saying? I like to give thanks to all the haters, because all of my haters got me out here really killing these looks. Like, baby, in a couple of more months, I am going to be a beast. Like, okay? But now I'm going in with my white eyeliner. And we're just going to go on the outside and outline that blue to make sure that that blue actually pops. Because I felt like if I would have left that blue there, it would have blended in with the other blues. And you know what I'm saying? You wouldn't have understood the look and the concept. So that white liner was definitely needed, okay? One thing about doing eyeliner on me is I have those moles. Y'all see those moles? Literally, I can't really make my wing as far up as I want to, because that mole be right there, and it really be messing me up. It be messing up my wing, and I just be really trying to work with it as best as I can, but it just be in the way. And I do got my mama to blame, because girlfriend knew what she was doing when she gave me these damn moles. They like all over my face, moles and freckles everywhere. Okay, so we let that dry up a little bit. Went ahead and did the other eye. So we're going to go in with our glue. This is our glitter glue. And we're going to just go ahead and use our eyeshadow brush and just place it all around where it is white, where we put that primer. And only on the primer, guys, nowhere else. Right here where the primer is, guys. And we are going to be using our glitter. So I am using my baby blue glitter. This is from my cosmetic line, guys. Aria Moore's Cosmetics, y'all. When I drop this line, you know what I'm saying? When I drop this line, y'all better shop. Like, I'm going to do a full tutorial using all of my products once I'm ready, once the website is ready to go, guys. We're going to kill it out. So I'm adding that baby blue. This is a loose glitter. And then you guys are going to see me go in with a navy blue just to kind of darken the look up a little bit. Not too much. Not too much. Just a little bit. And that one has a little sprinkle of pink in it. Just a little bit. And guys, get into that final look. You know what I'm saying? I mean, what do y'all want me to say? Baby girl. Y'all, between the pigtails and the makeup and the eyeshadow, I think I did this look some justice today. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Give this video a nice big thumbs up, guys. Leave some comments down below. Let me know some color schemes or some characters that you want me to do an inspo look on, guys. And I can't wait to see you guys in the next video. Y'all see my other tutorial in the background playing. Y'all know what that means. Go and check out that other tutorial. Go and check out that other tutorial, because that pink eyeshadow look was definitely given in the background, okay? Go find that video and run up them views. You know what I'm saying? All right, guys. Bye.